गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा श्रेयांश। आपका डबल रोल है आज मीटिंग में।
Yes, sir, because of network issue.
अरे बेटा इतनी मेहनत मत करो बेटा, एक ही फोन से ज्वाइन कर लो बेटा।
Sir, because there will be network issue here is
बेटा
network
जब
issue.
जब दो डिवाइसेस से ज्वाइन करोगे तो और ज्यादा नेटवर्क इशू होगा, इसलिए एक ही से करो।
No,
ठीक है।
sir. It will not.
वेरी गुड बेटा, एक ही डिवाइस से करोगे तो नेटवर्क इशू नहीं होगा आपको। ठीक है। वो से करोगे तब होगा।
सर जब एक से था तब भी नेटवर्क इश्यू था, जब चार से होता तब नेटवर्क इश्यू हो रहे हैं हमारे यहाँ तो।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा।
सर अभी पलक मैम और संगीता मैम की क्लास में हम लोगों की आवाज ही चली गई बीच
अच्छा।
सर आपकी तो नाम है।
गुड आफ्टरनून।
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून। Beta, we have done till which question in chapter 11?
Sir, till the fifth or sixth question. Sir, you have to do seventh question.
We have started doing question B. I think we have done till the fourth part. Fifth part से हमको करना है। We have to start from the fifth part.
Sir, when we will start?
Exercise 11.1.
Sir, we have to start from the sixth part. We have done till the fifth part.
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, fifth part से start करते हैं। Question D, sixth part. We have already done till the fifth part. 8 into 5 divided by, sorry, plus, not divided, plus 28 divided by 4 minus 5. This is the question. 8 into 5 plus 28 divided by 4 minus 5. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करते हैं बेटा, सबसे पहला स्टेप, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? यू विल डिवाइड 8 into 5 plus, now 28 divided by 4 is 7. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मल्टीप्लाई। अगला स्टेप क्या होता है डी मास में? DMAS। इसमें अगला स्टेप क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई। सो 8 into 5 is 40 plus 7 minus 5। अगला स्टेप क्या होगा? एडिशन। 40 plus 7 is 47, 47 minus 5। Now subtraction. Answer is 42. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please note down the question in your copies.
Sir.
Excellent. You all are terrific. Outstanding.
Sir, rest we have to do by ourselves.
No, beta, we will do. Okay, you have to try the 7th and 8th one. I am giving you 3 minutes 15 seconds to do the 7th and 8th part. After that we will check the answers. 3 minutes 15 seconds का टाइम है, जल्दी करिए. Easy questions हैं, am I right or not, everyone? These questions are easy.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, please give me the permission to rename myself.
Okay.
Sir, please start the next question.
ये बेटा start करते हैं. बेटा, I have told you that 7th and 8th part you have to try first. पहले आप try करो, फिर मैं बताऊंगा आपको. आप try करिए. What is your answer? Send your answer in the chat box. प्रैक्टिस जितनी ज्यादा करेंगे आप मैथ्स में, उतना ज्यादा आपको सीखने को मिलेगा, उतनी ज्यादा आपके अच्छा रहेगा. So doing by yourself, learning by doing is very, very important in maths. This process is known as, do you know what this process is known as? This is known as learning by doing.
Sir, I have found the 7th one answer.
Sanjeev beta, tell me again.
Sir, I have sent my 7th answer.
Very good. Do the 8th one also. Okay, everyone, your time is up.
Sir, I
Answers.
have sent answers till 10.
Okay, beta, why the other students are not sending the answers? Very few of you, only 2 or 3 students have sent the answers. What about the rest of you? Do you not want the attendance for today? आज आपको अपनी अटेंडेंस नहीं चाहिए, आप सबको एब्सेंट मार्क होना है, बताइए। कार्तिक शंकर, शो मी योर कॉपी। कार्तिक, कॉपी दिखा दो बेटा जरा।
Sir, only mine camera is on.
यस, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सीइंग। वेरी केयरलेस बेटा। मैं पलक मैम को फोन कर रहा हूँ अभी, आपके सामने फोन कर रहा हूँ, देखिए। उनकी क्लास चली होगी, लेट मी सेंड अ मैसेज टू हर। पलक मैम की क्लास चल रही है अभी,
Sir, I
मस्ती
think her
टीचिंग।
class is going on.
And I will tell her that how many students have sent the answers to me, and I will tell the names that these students do not respond in the class and they don't answer at all. सबके नाम बताता हूँ, देखो। पलक मैम को भी।
Sir, here was network issue. Then I
हाँ
have
हाँ
to
हाँ हाँ बेटा, आप ही के साथ तो नेटवर्क इशू होता है बस, बाकी किसी के साथ थोड़ी होता है।
मौली मिश्रा को पिन करो, ऐसे ये डॉट आ रहे हैं, इसमें पिन आएगा लिखा पिन। अब मेरे को इसका फोटो खींचा। अरे मैं ले लूंगी।
Avika, are you not doing the question?
Sir, I have sent the answers till 11th one.
Right. Okay, let's check. बेटा मैंने पलक मैम को बता दिया है that how many of you have sent the answer. I have sent her messages. Okay, she will soon, very soon, contact you all. And how many students have kept their videos on, ये भी मैंने पलक मैम को बता दिया है। Question 7, जो बच्चे यहाँ पर आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं, they can leave the meeting. There is no use of attending the class if you are not answering, because आपको अटेंडेंस तो मिलेगी नहीं, पढ़ाई आपको करनी नहीं है, so why are you attending the class? भाई 2 रीजन हो सकते हैं क्लास अटेंड करने की, या तो पढ़ाई करनी हो या फिर आपको अटेंडेंस चाहिए हो। अटेंडेंस आपको तभी मिलेगी जब आप पढ़ाई करेंगे, आप आंसर सेंड करेंगे, वो आप कर नहीं रहे हैं। सो देर इज नो यूज ऑफ अटेंडिंग द क्लास, क्योंकि अटेंडेंस मैं आपको दूंगा नहीं फिर। Those who are not sending the answer, they can leave the meeting right now yourself. अभी आप छोड़ दीजिए मीटिंग। आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम फॉर डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस। इतने हर क्वेश्चन मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ आपको, और उसके बाद आपका ये रिस्पॉन्स है। जब मन होता है तब आप वीडियो ऑन कर लेते हैं, जब मन होता है ऑफ कर लेते हैं। जब आपका मन होता है आंसर करते हैं, बहुत ही रेयरली, वो भी 10 में से एक बार या 2 बार आप आंसर करेंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। इट इज ऑन योर मूड। इज इट लाइक दैट कि आपका जब मूड होगा तब पढ़ाई करेंगे, जब मूड नहीं होगा तब नहीं करेंगे? इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट।
Sir, I have sent the answers from 7th to 12th.
Sir, I am sending.
Sir, I have sent all the answers from 7th to 12th.
60 into 2. Adya beta, you check your answers. I am doing them on the board, so please verify that your answers are correct.
Sir, the answer of 7th one is 86.
Okay, I am doing it. Check it. 60 into 2 plus 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 minus 43. Now multiply. 60 into 2 is 120. 120 plus 9 is 129 minus 43. 129 minus 43 is 86. Correct answer. Very good.
Sir, by mistake, I have written the wrong answer in the chat box of 7th
Sir,
and
the
8th.
answer of 8th one is 5. Sir, the answer of 8th one is 5.
Okay. Check it. 51 divided by 3 minus 4 into 3.
Sir, 7th is correct and 8th also.
17 minus 4 into 3.
Sir,
So 4 into 3 is 12.
17.
Now multiply. पहले divide किया है 51 divided by 3 is 17. अब next step you should divide. Sorry, multiply. 4 into 3 is 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. So answer is 5.
My answer is correct.
Very good.
Sir, my also answer is correct.
9th.
The answer of 9th one is 80. 8080.
Sir, may I drink water? Sir, may I drink water?
Yes.
Sir, the answer of 9th one is 8080.
Answer 10th one is 35.
Sir, 11th one is 38. Answer 12th one is 62.
Sir, I take out C first and second.
Sir, can I send the pic in the WhatsApp?
No, beta, no. Don't send it on WhatsApp. Okay, 9th one. Adya and a few
Ninth
other
one is
students have sent the
8080.
answers. Okay, check your answer. 75 into 2 plus 32 divided by 4
Minus 78.
minus 78.
Sir, is equals to 75.
So first step is division. 75 into 2 plus 32
Plus
divided by
8.
4 is 8 minus
Sir,
78.
minus 78.
Second step, multiply.
Plus 2,
75 into 2 is 150. 150
plus
plus
8
8 minus 78.
plus
Now third
78.
step, addition. 150 plus 8 is
Plus 2,
158
158 minus
minus
78.
78. 158 minus
Is equals
78
to
is 80.
80.
Absolutely correct answer, Adya. आद्विका बेटा, ये कौन से क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपने सेंड किए हैं? कुछ भी मतलब, without doing any question. Can you show me your copy, Advika, where you have done these questions and where you have written these answers? Advika, just wait.
Sir, by mistake, my hand got on the that number, so I have sent the wrong.
Let me see your copy. Wait. This is which question? ये बेटा 497 कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपने करा है? दिखाओ मुझे. If there will be any mistake, I will tell you. 497 कौन से क्वेश्चन?
Sir, that I do the that first that my answer is wrong. So then I do the correct one. Then my answer I got correct. Then
Okay. Turn the page. Turn the page.
Sir,
This
please
one
see
is
my
also wrong. Ninth one is also wrong. आद्या बेटा वेट करो एक मिनट. चलो करेक्ट करिए आप अपने जो भी आंसर्स आपने करे हैं. करेक्ट देम if they are wrong.
okay.
Sir, please see my from the starting.
Yes, Adya, I have seen yours. Very good. Excellent. बाकी बच्चे, who else is showing the copy? जो बच्चे अभी कॉपी शो कर देंगे, I will give you marks and give you the attendance also. Notebook के marks भी मैं आपको दे दूंगा. I will give you notebook marks also.
Please see mine. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please see my answer. Question A answers.
Yeah,
Please
sure.
see.
Okay. आप बेटा क्वेश्चन बी के दिखाओ, नॉट क्वेश्चन. आई वांट टू सी द आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन बी.
Sir, B I am doing. Sir, B I am doing.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. क्वेश्चन 10. Tenth one. 12 into 5 plus 48 divided by 4 minus 37. So 12 into 5 plus, now पहले divide. 48 divided by 4 is 12. 12 minus 37. Now multiply. 12 into 5 is 60.
Sir, plus 12.
Plus 12 minus 37. आप करेंगे addition. 60 plus 12 is 72.
Sir, is
Minus
equals to 72
37.
minus 37 is equals
72
to
minus
35.
72 minus 37 is 35. Correct answer. Very good.
Sir, 11th one answer is 38.
Beta, don't tell the answers. Adya, आप आंसर्स ऐसे मत बताओ. Let everyone try. Okay, all of you, I am giving you. जो बच्चे आंसर्स दे देंगे सही तरीके से कॉपी में दिखा देंगे, आई विल नॉट कंप्लेन अबाउट देम टू पलक मैम. बाकी बच्चों को मैं कर दूंगा. 11th एंड 12th आंसर्स आप लोग सेंड करिए चैट बॉक्स में.
Sir, I have sent.
Yes बेटा आद्या, I have seen your answers. Remaining students, please send your answers for the 11th and 12th part.
Sir,
I am giving you 4 minutes. जल्दी 11th और 12th part के आंसर्स बताइए जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में. Okay, I hope everyone has must have done the questions. Time up. So
The
let me
answer of
name the students who have sent the answers. Adya has sent the answers, and Shriyansh has sent the answer of 11th and 12th one, and Mandavya. These three students have sent. All the other students, you will not be marked present today. Advika has sent one of the answers. 4 students. The rest of the students are marked absent for today. You can leave the meeting. There is no use of remaining in the meeting for you all, remaining students. 11th one. 11th question. Check your answers, everyone. 56 divided by 4 plus 12 into 2. 56 divided by 4 is
Sir, is equals to 14 plus 2
14 plus 12
plus 12
into 2,
is equals to
14 plus
plus
24.
24
Answer is
is equals to
38.
38. Sir, 12th one is 112.
12th 112 minus 45 divided by 9 into 10. So 112 minus 45 divided by 9 is 5 into 10. Now multiply. 112 minus 50.
Sir, is equals to 62.
62 is the answer.
Sir, my all answers are correct.
Priyansh Patel has got the wrong
Mine
answer
also.
for 11th question. 12th one Shriyansh has got correctly. Advika has got the 11th one correctly. विराट has got the 11th one correctly. 12th वाले का बेटा अब सेंड करने का क्या फायदा है आंसर्स जब मैंने कर दी.
Sir, I was on the last one.
Sir, who got both correct?
And Adya has got both the answers correctly. Mandavya has got both the answers correctly. Shreyansh has got the 12th one correctly. Advika has sent only the 11th answer, which is correct. विराट ने दोनों आंसर सही भेजे हैं बट वो मेरे भेजने के बाद सही भेजे हैं. बाकी बच्चे एब्सेंट हो गए आज, वैसे भी एब्सेंट ही हैं. लाइक नमन, Avika Agarwal. Naman and Avika are absent. Adeshika is also absent today. Naman, Avika and Adeshika are absent. बाकी बच्चे तो हैं ही absent, तो वो तो obviously हैं ही. Okay, everyone. Thank you for attending the class today and for such a good behavior.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.